Hi, today I'm going to show you how to talk about yourself in English, clearly, confidently, and naturally. Let's begin. 1. Start with basic information. When someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," start simple. Example: Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm 22 years old and I'm a student. You can share your name, age, country, and what you do. 2. Talk about your work or study. Share what you do every day. Example: I'm currently studying computer science. I love learning about technology and software. Or, I work as a sales manager. My job is to help customers and grow our business. 3. Describe your personality. Talk about what kind of person you are. Example: I'm a positive and hardworking person. I enjoy solving problems and learning new things. 4. Share your hobbies and interests. This makes your introduction more natural and human. Example: In my free time, I enjoy reading books, watching documentaries, and learning English. 5. Talk about your goals. Tell people where you want to go in life. Example: My goal is to become a confident English speaker and build a successful career in technology. 6. Combine everything into a full introduction. Full example: Hi, my name is Alex. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Bangladesh. I'm studying computer science and I'm very passionate about technology. I'd describe myself as a hardworking and curious person. In my free time, I enjoy reading, traveling, and learning English. My goal is to improve my communication skills and build a successful career in the tech industry. 7. Ending your introduction. Finish politely. Example: Thank you for listening. Or, It's nice to meet you. 8. How to talk about your family. People often ask about your family. Keep it simple. Example: I come from a small family. I live with my parents and my younger sister. We are very close, and we enjoy spending time together. Or, I come from a big family. I have 3 brothers, and we always support each other. You don't have to share too much, just basic information. 9. How to talk about your daily routine. Sharing your routine shows your lifestyle and habits. Example: Every day I wake up early and go for a short walk. Then I study English for 1 hour before starting my work. In the evening, I relax by watching videos or reading books. 10. How to talk about your strengths. When introducing yourself, you can mention what you're good at. Example: I'm good at managing time and staying organized. I learn things quickly, and I enjoy helping others. 11. How to talk about your weaknesses, professionally. If someone asks about weaknesses, answer honestly but smartly. Example: One of my weaknesses is that I sometimes focus too much on details, but I'm working on balancing quality and speed. 12. How to talk about your experience. If you have experience in work or studies, share it confidently. Example: I have 1 year of experience working in customer service. I learned how to communicate clearly and solve problems quickly. 13. How to talk about your achievements. Mention small but meaningful achievements. Example: One of my biggest achievements is improving my English by practicing every day. 14. Tips to sound natural while talking about yourself. Tip 1. Keep sentences short and clear. Tip 2. Speak slowly and confidently. Tip 3. Smile and maintain eye contact. Tip 4. Don't memorize, understand and speak naturally. Tip 5. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. 15. Advanced full self-introduction example. Here is a more natural, fluent, and professional introduction. Example. Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm from Bangladesh. I have a passion for learning and personal growth. Right now, I'm studying computer science, and I enjoy exploring new technologies. I'm a friendly and disciplined person who loves to set goals and work towards them. In my free time, I like reading, traveling, and practicing English. One of my strengths is staying consistent, and one of my goals is to speak English confidently in any situation. Here is part 3. A powerful, engaging continuation with practice dialogue and real-life examples that will make the script perfect for YouTube or learning. Part 3. Practice dialogue. How to talk about yourself in real conversation. Now let's practice how a real conversation sounds when you talk about yourself. Dialogue 1. Meeting someone new person. A. Hi. Nice to meet you. What's your name? You. Nice to meet you too. My name is Alex. Person A. Where are you from? You. I'm from Bangladesh. What about you? Person A. I'm from India. What do you do? You. I'm a student. I'm studying computer science. I'm really interested in technology and English learning. Person A. That's great. What do you like doing in your free time? You. I enjoy reading, watching documentaries, and practicing English. Dialogue 2. Job interview. Style introduction. Interviewer. Tell me about yourself. You. Sure. My name is Alex, and I'm from Dhaka. I recently completed my diploma in computer science. I'm a hard-working and organized person who loves solving problems. In the last year, I gained experience working in customer support, where I improved my communication and teamwork skills. Outside of work, I enjoy learning English and reading personal development books. This sounds confident and professional. Dialogue 3. Online meeting introduction. Host. Please introduce yourself to the group. You. Hi, everyone. I'm Alex. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm passionate about self-improvement and technology. I love meeting new people and learning new skills. I'm excited to be here and looking forward to connecting with all of you. Part 4. Useful phrases to talk about yourself. Use these simple phrases in your introduction. 1. Basic identity. My name is. I'm originally from. I currently live in. 2. Work, study. I'm studying. I work as a. My main responsibilities include. 3. Personality. I would describe myself as, I'm someone who likes. 4. Hobbies. In my free time, I enjoy. I'm interested in. 5. Goals. My goal is to. In the future, I want to. Part 5. Long, YouTube-friendly self-introduction example. Here's a complete, polished introduction you can use anywhere. Example. Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm from Bangladesh. I'm passionate about learning and improving myself every single day. Right now, I'm studying computer science, and I enjoy working on small tech projects. I consider myself a disciplined, friendly, and curious person. In my free time, I like reading books, watching documentaries, and practicing English because communication is very important to me. One of my main goals is to become a confident English speaker and build a successful career in technology. Thank you so much for listening.